It's okay.
Yeah. I'm behind in here if she needs something. What? She needs me to get something again.
Look at him curling his toes.
That was hard. Baby's head was stuck in a funny angle and it didn't want to come out, but you had to get it out, and the heartbeat wasn't so happy. That's why Jane and Janet were trying to yell at you and get you to push it out, but you did great. The baby needed to come out.
You did good. You okay?
The baby's fine. You're okay. You're tired.